Hi Eric. So I was retesting the issue that you have just fixed, and now it is showing correctly for the existing tenants. So for example, now this was the tenant I had created. It is giving me correct results. But now I have created new tenant to just make sure it is working fine for that also. But in the new tenant, the search is not working at all. I mean, I created one employee. It's not giving result for this. If I search for bank ACH, it is not giving me any results. If I look for, I mean, I'm not getting any results for any search. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.